Alright guys, let me know how this new camera lens looks. It's a wide angle lens, so now when I got it in the car, you should be able to see more of the inside of the car, if you get me, because the other lens I had was way too zoomed in. But yeah, I've been wanting this lens for a while. Finally pulled the trigger, bought it. It was like 200 bucks, which isn't that bad, but I just never did it. I'm gonna go vacuum the car and give it a wipe down because it's dirty and the paint is pretty imperfect, and then the car being dirty doesn't help at all. And I had a car cover on here for a while, and then it tore, and then my mom, being the good mother that she is, she tried using duct tape to hold the, to hold the car cover together. And as we all know, duct tape leaves a lot of residue, so you see that right there, that's residue from the tape. And there's several other spots I tried to take off. It does come off, but I gotta, you know, put some elbow grease on it and it'll come off. And I told my mom that to never use duct tape again, but I appreciate the effort to try and fix it. But anyways, let's get you guys a cold start. Let's see if it turns on. I'm going to go vacuum this car and give it a wipe down because the car's pretty dirty. And yeah, I've just been stuck in the house because I don't know if you can tell, but I'm pretty sick. I don't know about you guys, I don't believe in all that like COVID stuff, but I took a test only because my mom wanted me to take a test and it says I was positive for COVID, but nah, I'm pretty sure it's just a little flu. I'm good. So hopefully the car doesn't turn off on me because the fuses in the back for the fuel pumps, they have like a weak connection. I'll show you guys right now on camera once I get over there to the car wash, but they got like a weak connection, so it might turn off. And if it does turn off, I already know how to jump the relays, so we'll be straight. But yeah, man, just wanted to get out of the house and drive the car, and I know you guys probably want some content, so here it is, showing you the reality of this car, and you know, just the reality of, I don't know, owning a cavity swap. Sometimes things aren't always perfect. They could be close to perfect, but this car is far from perfect, but still not what it once was. So I'll give y'all some sound clips, let y'all hear the car through here. Let me know what y'all think. Car is still on dumps. Mexico. Doesn't hook. It just doesn't hook. And then the tire I got in the back is a 325, 55, 15-inch tires, and it's a fat tire. The car still spins. I have double adjustable Viking coilovers in the back, and I mean I have them set pretty like stiff, I guess. So maybe I need to mess with that. I don't know. Maybe I need more weight in the back. I don't know. Part of having this car, I need to figure it out, see what I need to do, you know, tweak with it. And that's because I'm on the 72mm pulley. I want to jump down to the 69mm pulley. I don't know how much power I'm making right now, but I'm assuming it's anywhere from low 700s to mid 700s, somewhere there. So, you know, it makes no sense for me to just jump down in pulley size if the car is still spinning. And it's kind of cold outside right now, but man, even when it was hot, it was spinning. Gotta be careful with the cops out here in Mexico. Hopefully my battery lasts. Man, I'm so glad I got this camera lens now because it's way different. Usually this car wash has well, it's known to post little meats and stuff, so we'll see. But I kind of hope not, because I hope it's not packed, or I hope there's not people, because I'm just trying to clean my car and chill out, you know what I mean? And plus I'm sick. I don't want to get anyone sick, you know. And I have my mask, but I don't want to wear my mask. I go up a slope or an incline, like, you know, a driveway, my back tire rubs. They're so damn fat. But I ordered an anti-roll bar, so hopefully that helps with the flexing in the back. Cause I'll put a clip in here, but I did a pull not too long ago, and my brother was recording me do the pull, and man, I slowed it down, and my passenger rear tire was smoking. Like, the damn tire was smoking because it was rubbing the fender in the back. And I was like, hell no. So, I already ordered the anti-roll bar. Just gotta install it now. Alright. Time to give this thing a little wipe down. Alright, now that we got some light here, let me show you where the tire's rubbing. You can kind of tell, not really. See that tire? See right here? It's got a little, like a little dip right here from rubbing up here. It doesn't do it as much, only when I go on inclines. And of course, if I do a full out, like wide open throttle pull, then it'll rub. But like I said, I already got the anti-roll bar, so it should fix that problem. And also, I'm probably gonna paint this car in the next couple months, because this paint is trash. Now, you guys probably thinking like, no, it's good. I mean, through camera, through Instagram, it looks good, but in reality, it's pretty bad. Like right here, see that? See all this flaking? That's flaking right here. When I have my car cover, it's coming off. And it just goes on and on. There's right here. This is probably the worst spot. Can't believe I'm showing you guys this, but this is the reality of having an old car and then having a paint job not done correctly. Yep. That is bad, bro. That's a bunch of Bondo. Because I think this roof, when I first got the car, it had like it had a dent or something here, like, I don't know, from hail damage or what, but the guy didn't fix it properly, and he just slapped a bunch of Bondo on there, and that's why it's like that. But it's all good though, it's all good. Car's gonna get painted, and I'm not gonna have this hood, even though I like it a lot because the blower sticks out. Gonna have to get another hood because I don't want to be having that hood in the rain. Alright, so my camera's about to die, of course, and the new batteries that I bought are at home, of course, but the car's all clean. Looks pretty damn good on camera and in person too, but like I said, the paint is not perfect, but she cleans up pretty damn good. And for those of you that don't know, it is a VMP Gen 2R Coyote swap. Pretty sure most of you guys know though, but just in case for those that don't. So car looks pretty damn clean right now. Washed it, dried it, waxed it, cleaned everything. Rims, tires. All I need to do is vacuum, but I ain't got no damn change. So it'll have to do. There she is with the hood closed. And I do not have the front license plate on. I think the car looks way better like that. And yeah, so just gonna cruise. I don't know if I should go put some E85 just because I'm bored. Probably will. Just cruise around, take a chill. But like I said, I hope the car doesn't turn off on me. Oh, that reminds me. Let me show y'all what's going on in the trunk with the damn relays. Alright, so it's a mess back here, but it's because I need to have access to this. Well, a while ago, like a couple months ago, I guess, or 2 months, a month, I don't know, but a while back, these right here, they melted. And when it melted, it ruined the little slot right here where these fuses go. So it's not making good contact. And if this doesn't work, the way that I jump start the car or turn on the car is I take off these relays and I jump the relays, and then the fuel pumps turn on manually. I have to use 2 little wires, jump this one, and the car turns on. That's for emergencies only. But me and my dad are gonna replace these fuse holders right here to something a little bit better. But like I said, it's part of the swap life. Doesn't have to be, but it is right now. We'll fix it later. I apologize if the camera dies. Like I said, I got like no battery. Get this quick little startup. My interior, by the way, the little lights, the cluster that glows. These used to be green, but I changed them to like dark blue. Love the way they look.